Question number 26, which is from engineering mathematics. I am reading out this question for you. Consider a matrix P whose eigenvectors are the multiples of matrix on 4. Consider the following statement: P does not have an inverse. Okay. Repeated eigenvectors come from repeated eigenvalues. Therefore, statement 1 may not be correct. Okay, like for any identity matrix which have same eigenvalues but different determinant, so inverse exists. So it is false. Okay, inverse can exist. P has a repeated eigenvalue. Yes, P has a repeated eigenvalue because it can have multiple eigenvectors, so multiple eigenvalues. So this is also true. P cannot be diagonalized. This statement like this, if there is not multiple eigenvalue, then we cannot diagonalize the eigenvalues. But if it has one eigenvalues, that it can be diagonalized. But for our question, it can have multiple eigenvalues, so it cannot be diagonalized. So this is also true. So option 2 and option 3 are the correct option. So option D is the right answer for this question.